Welcome, today I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings into Nokia C31. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here screen record button, this one. If you don't have this button here, tap to pencil, then scroll down, find this button in this block, and then like this, press and hold and drag to top to add. And now for saving this button, tap back, and now press this button, screen record, and here we got record audio option. Firstly, we can turn off or turn on this option by tapping on this switcher, and if you press on record audio option, we can choose device audio, microphone, or device audio and microphone option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.